If your flip-flops suddenly break, never throw them away. In this video, I'll show you 2 creative ways to fix broken flip-flops using simple materials that you can easily find at home. This pair of flip-flops is broken in different ways. One has lost its strap lock completely, while the other still has it, but it's already torn. To fix the one with the missing lock, the first material you'll need is a rubber gas seal. It's something you can easily find at home. Cut the rubber seal into 2 pieces. This is the rubber gas seal we cut earlier. Its shape now looks similar to the sandal's missing strap lock. Next, attach this rubber piece to the sandal as a replacement lock. To make it more secure, use a needle to fasten the rubber so it won't easily come off. Which country are you watching this video from? Write it in the comments to let me know. I'm happy that we can connect with each other from all around the world. Since the needle is too long, you can trim both ends to make it safer. The next step is to use a combination of styrofoam and super glue to reinforce the sandal's strap lock, making it stronger and more secure. After the repair process is finished, you can see the result. It looks very neat. Now let's test its strength. Amazing! The result is really strong, and this right flip-flop can be used again. Now, let's move on to fixing the left flip-flop, where the strap lock is still intact. For this kind of repair, you won't need to use super glue. Prepare a small-sized wire. You can use any type of wire as long as it's strong and not too thick. Cut one end of the wire to make it pointed. Then insert it into the sandal until it goes through to the other side. Pull the wire and fold both ends so they lie flat alongside the sandal strap. Next, cut the other end of the wire into a point as well. Then insert it into the broken strap lock to secure it. Push the strap lock back until it connects with the sandal strap. Next, trim off the excess wire, then bend the tip to lock it securely so it won't come loose. The wire will make the broken strap much stronger than if you only used glue. This is different from the first case. In that one, we needed to use glue, but here we can simply rely on the strength of the wire. After reconnecting the broken strap, place the strap lock back into the sole of the sandal. Now, take a look at the result. It's neat, and the sandal feels really strong. The left flip-flop is now ready to be used again. The pair of flip-flops that were once completely broken are now ready to be used again. And as a bonus, I'll show you a tip on how to clean stubborn dirt from the sole of your flip-flops. You can use toothpaste, as it works much better in removing tough stains from the sole. The result will be far more effective compared to cleaning with regular soap. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe and join our community. We still have many creative ideas to share with you. Don't forget to share this tip with your friends and family. It might be really useful for them in the future. With this method, you can also save money, since you don't need to buy new flip-flops when yours suddenly break. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to answer. And if you found this idea helpful, please hit the like button, It will motivate us to keep creating more creative ideas in our next videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next creative video.